Want to organize information neatly inside your LibreOffice Writer documents? Tables make it easy to arrange text, numbers, schedules, lists, and other information into clear rows and columns. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create tables in LibreOffice Writer in 2026. So let's get started. First, open LibreOffice Writer and create a new document or open an existing one. Place your cursor where you want the table to appear. Choosing the right location first makes it easier to organize the rest of your document. Next, open the Table menu and choose Insert Table. You can also use the Table button on the toolbar if it's available. Select the number of columns and rows you need, then confirm the insertion. Now click inside each cell and enter your information. You can use the Tab key to move from one cell to the next and quickly fill out the table. Keeping related information in separate columns can make your table much easier to read. Once you've entered your data, customize the table's appearance. You can change text alignment, borders, background colors, column widths, and row heights. Formatting the header row differently can make important information stand out immediately. If you need to change the table later, you can add or remove rows and columns. Right-click inside the table or use the Table menu to access the available options. You can also merge or split cells when you need a more customized layout. Finally, review the table to make sure the information is aligned and easy to read. Adjust the spacing or column widths if necessary, then save your Writer document. So your table is now organized and ready to use in your document, and that's how to create tables in LibreOffice Writer. Insert a table, enter your information, format the rows and columns, make adjustments when needed, and save your finished document. Once you get comfortable with these tools, you can create everything from simple lists to detailed schedules and professional reports. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.